We are making a liver. I'm gonna basically barbecue the liver, or we call it Kaleji in Pakistan, or India we call it Kaleji. So therefore, I'm gonna show you how I make it. So first of all, I'm starting with vinegar. I like to put vinegar first, so that way we cleaning, and if any, God forbid, smell this goes away. You can put a lemon too if you want to, but right now I'm putting a vinegar. After that, I soaked it with vinegar. I'm gonna let's go dish out here. That way I have enough room for it. So this is basically I'm going to do. Let's start with a red chili pepper, and then so therefore I'm putting this, and it's up to you how much you want to put it in. I'm also using chaat masala. Chaat masala will give you this is as I said, I like to have black salt, not a regular salt. So black salt, it's not very salty, but like to use it. I have my tandoori masala, my own tandoori masala. You don't have to put tandoori masala, but I like to put tandoori masala. Again, I like to use paprika. Paprika also very good in taste. I'm going to put this much a black pepper. Top of it, I also using a liver pre-made masalas, which is coming from Pakistan or India. The company, you can use Shan Masala. I'm not using Shan Masala, it's a different company, but this is give me kind of idea. So I'm not putting so much masala from there, but because I use my own masala. I can use my red chili pepper, chili, but I don't want to make it too spicy for that. I'm not adding any oil into it, like I'm not adding any oil. You can use oil, but I feel like I don't want to use oil because sometimes when you're using oil, it's not really okay for me. Basically, I don't like to do too much oil stuff. So this is the way I'm gonna marinate. Also, same time, this is not that spicy. As I said, I'm not using red chili powder. If you take a look, I also have a heart. This heart, I'm gonna make it, cut it already. This heart, I have it good cuts and hot. I'm gonna make it a little bit spicy for the heart, but not for the Kaleji, because I want to give the Kaleji to my parents, so they don't eat too much. Anyways, that's less spicy, and this will going to be very spicy because I like to do that way because my friends like it. Let's come back. So this is now I'm going to make a barbecue heart. Okay. First of all, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to make sure it's not extra oil, water, or anything. I like to do this way because I don't have too much because that way masala will stick to it, and just for my satisfaction. It's not a really big deal. You can use it again. Okay, now I'm ready for my dill or heart to marinate. As I always start with my vinegar, I would say about 1 or 2 spoons. Sorry, I like to use hands. So this is my vinegar. I'm going to put as I said, I'm gonna make this is spicy. It's spicy. That's a green. I ground it. That's a small green chilies. So I think it's going to be very good spice in there. I'm gonna use a spoon of ginger garlic paste. I would say 2 spoons. And I'm gonna do this time red chili peppers, and I'm gonna put this time regular salt and about 1. You know what? Let me do a little bit more salt. I'm going to use again paprika, and use black pepper because this one. I'm also using this taste, and again, as I mentioned, I'm using some kind of liver masala, premium masala from Pakistan, which is, if you see this green kind of like you have in there coriander powder, you have into garam masalas and all, but so I'm using a little bit of that. So it's gonna give you like kasuri methi, which is vinegar. This is almost, I mixed it up all the masalas, you can see it, and I'm gonna keep this for tomorrow. So I'm gonna leave it because I'm gonna make today kaleji, and for the heart I'm gonna put it in the fridge. It's gonna marinate very well for next time, maybe tomorrow I'm gonna do it. So now, second day, all the kaleji or liver, I put it in my skewers ready, and later I'm gonna do the heart. So let's, and my barbecue is already ready. Let's go out to barbecue. This is, I'm going to put my already ready charcoal, and I add some wood in there. Okay, this wood is a maple, and when it's ready I'll show you next video. I think it looks so beautiful in my homemade grill. This is, I'm going to make hard dill, and I made a bigger pieces, and let's see how they're going to cook. Nice, eh? Cool. So kaleji is almost ready. Looks nice, juicy masala. It's almost done.